Hello and welcome to Financeable on this new video on how to log in into NYC Department of Finance account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you will miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser there will be a source bar. Just click on the source bar and users need to type NYC Department of Finance login and just press enter in the keyboard, and these sources are will be shown to you. There is login, and as you can see there is nyc.gov, which is a government website. So you just have to click on the first search result and this interface is shown to you. In the middle, in the sky blue color, there is says click to log in into your NYC ID account. You just have to click here and it will take you to the login portal. You just have to wait for a few seconds or few minutes depending on your internet connection. So this is the login portal. If you haven't created an account, you can just click on the create account. When you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see the create account text, and you just have to click there and follow the instructions provided to you by NYC ID. And if you have forgotten your password, on the left hand side there is forgot your password. You can just click here and follow the instruction and you will be able to retrieve and change the password. And to log in, there are various options. You can log in as Google or from LinkedIn or Yahoo or Microsoft or NYC employees, and there is always an option to log in with email address or your username, and here is to enter your password, and you can just click on the login button and you will be able to log in into NYC Department of Finance account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.